walked in, his eyes moved around restlessly in his quest to find the love of his life. He was very clear in his head and knew very well what he wanted. A golden hue, a smooth look, a sleek figure, light like a feather, someone who could make him feel good, someone who could be swift, someone who could help him with practically everything in life, someone who was there for him 24/7, someone whom he would love to see as soon as he was up, the first one in the morning, and someone who would be the last one to see before retiring to bed, someone who would be by his side always and accompany him everywhere he went. As these thoughts were rushing in his head, he saw his heart skipped a beat. He instantly connected and knew from his heart, this is the one. He went ahead and said, meeting you was fate, knowing you was choice, falling for you was beyond my control. Will you be my Valentine? It was amazing. The relationship went through and they literally became inseparable partners. But in the whole process, he'd forgotten that he also had a relationship with someone else who was being badly neglected and feeling terribly hurt for not getting his time. Dear friends, if you want your relationships to be meaningful and if you want to take them to the next level, the one mantra today is